Looking for something easy and tasty to bring on New Year's Eve? TV personality Jennifer Valentyne is here with some inspiration for the table to bring as, like a party favor, or just have at your events on New Year's. Let's talk about it.
So nice to see you again. And if you're celebrating the new year like we all are, and you're going to a party and you're looking for something to bring, turkey pops, the perfect hors d'oeuvre, made with Ontario turkey, and it's a lean source of protein, great all year long, and you're supporting local Ontario farmers.
Absolutely.
So we've got some ground turkey in the bowl. I'm going to let you do the dry ingredients.
Okay, this is the best part. Okay, so what do we have here?
We've got some fresh thyme, and of course you can use dried thyme as well if you want. You can use milk or cream. We've got cream, and it's so simple. Not a lot of ingredients at all.
No, and you just dump it. Is this heavy cream? Does it matter what kind of cream you use, or just any kind of milk?
You can use half and half. You can use heavy cream, or you can use milk. It's just as good.
Amazing.
Onion.
Perfect.
Chopped onion.
Oh, that came out so easy.
And then cornflakes. Who doesn't love a recipe with cornflakes? Yeah, dump it in there.
So does this act almost like a breadcrumb?
It does.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So I'm just going to put a nice amount of pepper, a nice amount of salt, and I'm a glove girl. I'm always using the gloves.
You know what? If I had them on hand, I would too, but sometimes I just have to commit and just go right into the meat, but okay. You can. So I got the gloves on, and it's so easy to just mush it up, and you can get the kids to do this. Yeah, this is fun for them.
It is. It's fun to make, and it's fun to eat, and like I said, a lean source of protein, and you can make these all year long, but New Year's Eve is so much fun. What are you doing for New Year's Eve?
I'm still deciding. I know that we have our CH special here, so I'm RSVP'd for that, but I'll probably end up here eventually because there's live music. What are you guys doing?
And this is like a family.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going to be watching CHCH. That's what I'm going to be doing.
Yeah, start at 10 o'clock. But is this something that you can make ahead, or is this something like day of you need to make?
You know what? Day before or day of. So absolutely you can make it the day before. You can put it in the fridge, or you can and have it prepared. It's always nice to have it to cook. It only takes 15 minutes. Throw it in the oven. I always suggest using a meat thermometer because it makes life easy, and you know that the turkey is cooked to perfection. You make a small little ball, and then always soak your skewers in water. Because just because it's in the oven, you don't want anything going on there, and it's easier. It prevents fires.
Okay, good tip.
So then we're going to put it just in the turkey like this. Okay. Mush it down, and then gently put it around the turkey.
That is so easy. I mean, who doesn't? I mean, the cheese in the middle is going to be such a delicious surprise when it's all warm and gooey. That sounds so good.
For adults, but especially for kids, because kids love cheese. And see how easy that is? And we're just going to put it on our baking pan with a little bit of parchment paper. Okay. And then voila, you've got 3 different kinds of dipping sauce there. Yeah. And these are ready to eat. You don't have to eat them, but we've got some hot honey. Okay. And hot honey is the big thing right now. Everybody wants hot honey. Fresh cranberry sauce that we made ourselves.
Oh, delicious.
Yes. And turkey gravy, which is leftover from Christmas.
That makes sense. Yeah. For the turkey pops. Okay. And go ahead.
Just dip it in. Okay. So what would be your choice?
I'd probably go for gravy because I'm a huge gravy girl. I love to drown all of my food on my plate with gravy, so that's where I would go for sure.
So dip it in that gravy. I'm actually going to cut one open because I want everyone to see what it looks like inside. So I'm just going to cut one of these open like this. Okay. And then when you open it up, you've got the cheese inside. Can we get it on the upper camera? Yeah. So there you go. So you've got the delicious cheese inside. And like I said, it's just, so much fun to make, especially with the cornflakes. And it's fantastic. And if you want these recipes, you can just go to ontarioturkey.ca, and then you get not only this recipe, but you get so many recipes that you can make throughout the year. You can substitute this if you're making spaghetti and you're making a meat sauce. You can use ground turkey, or we use it in chili as well. It always works out. So maybe we can take the half of one, and then I'm going to take the cranberry sauce actually. And these, like I said, we just made these fresh this morning. So dropping things, but right here in your oven.
I'll have one too. How is it? I'm dripping.
You know what I forgot?
We have about 30 seconds.
You just don't put these on the, you gotta put them in the cream. I think I forgot about that. This is a very important step. So you're gonna put the cornflakes on this. Please don't forget that part.
And then just pop them on the tray.
And then pop them on the tray. You see how easy that is?
Thank you so much for coming out with these delicious turkey pops. We'll have the recipe on our website at chch.com. And Happy New Year. You can bring this to your events.
Thank you so much.